Hello students, in previous video we have completed unit 9 and today we will discuss the brain teasers of this unit. So here the first question is take the correct answer, that is multiple choice question, and first is which of the following is a proper fraction. So what is proper fraction? The fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator, right? So proper fractions वो होते हैं जिसमें numerator denominator से smaller होता है. So let us check that in which fraction the numerator is smaller than the denominator. So here 17 upon 19. So here 17 is smaller than 19. That means numerator is smaller than denominator. So this is a proper fraction. Let us check the others. Here 15, numerator is greater than denominator. Here again, numerator is greater than denominator. So this is improper. 18 is greater than 17. That is numerator is greater than denominator. This is also improper fraction. So this is the correct option or answer. Now B part, fraction whose numerator is greater. The fraction whose numerator is greater. Like in this case, numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator greater than the denominator is called. So which type of fraction is this? So that is a improper fraction. Is called a improper fraction. So unit proper improper. So this one is the answer, improper fraction. Next one is 7 and 1 upon 5 written as an improper fraction is. So 7 and 1 upon 5 को हम improper fraction में change करेंगे तो what will be the answer? So just now in previous worksheet we have learned how to change mixed number into improper fraction. So what we have to do? We have to multiply a natural number with denominator. So 7 5s are 35, right? First of all, we have to multiply these two. 7 5s are 35, and then we have to add the numerator with the product. So 7 5s are 35 plus 1 is 36. So 36 and the denominator will remain same. So 36 upon 5 is the answer. So 5 upon 36, no. 36 upon 5, yes, 36 upon 5 is the correct answer. Because we have to multiply 7 5s are 35 plus 1 36. 36 is the numerator and denominator will not change. वो वही रहेगा. So this is the correct answer. Now next one. Tick the missing numerator. So we have to find out the missing numerator. 3 upon 13 is equal to. So equal to means these two fractions are equivalent. So equivalent fraction होगा, that means कि जो आपका ये 13 डिसाइड करेंगे तो उसके टेबल में 78 आएगा और जिससे मल्टीप्लाई करके 78 आया उसी से मल्टीप्लाई करके न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारा ये जो है मिसिंग न्यूमरेटर आएगा. सो रिसाइड द टेबल ऑफ 13 till 78. 13 6 78. So 13 multiplied by 6. 13 6 78. So here we have multiplied the denominator by 6. So equivalent fraction में you know that numerator and denominator both are multiplied by the same number. So that means we have to multiply the numerator by the 6 only. So now 3 6 are 18. So what will come over here is 18. So our answer is 18. So missing numerator is 18. Now next one is which of the following is not equivalent to. तो इनमें से कौन सा equivalent नहीं है. You know equivalent fractions find करने के लिए हम न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं एज वी हैव डन इन डी पार्ट. So 6 upon 14. So 3, recite the table of 3 till 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. So that means denominator को भी हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डिनोमिनेटर को. 2 7 2s are 14. So yes, this is equivalent fraction. Next 3 10s are 30. So denominator को भी 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So 7 10s are 70. So this is also equivalent fraction. Next is 12 upon 20. So recite the table of 3 till 12. So 3 4s are 12 and multiply denominator by 4 only. Same number से करेंगे हम multiply. So 7 4s are 28. But here the denominator is 20. So this is not an equivalent fraction. So and we have to find out which is not an equivalent fraction. So this is not equivalent fraction. Let us check the last one also. 3 5s are 15 and multiply denominator with 5 again. So 7 5s are 35. So yes, this is also equivalent fraction. And so next question is fill in the blanks. Is 5 upon 6 is a dash fraction. So which type of fraction is 5 upon 6? 5 upon 6. So 5 is smaller than the denominator. 5 is smaller than 6. So here numerator is smaller than the denominator. So which type of fraction is this? This is a proper fraction. This is a proper fraction. Next is 3 and 1 upon 7. Is a dash number. So which type of number is this? This is a combination of natural number and a proper fraction. So this is a mixed number. Mixed number. Next 19 upon 7 is an dash fraction. So which type of fraction? Here the numerator 19 is greater than the denominator, that is 7. So when the numerator is greater than denominator, then the fraction is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Now 1 upon 8, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 16 are dash fractions. So we have already learned that when the numerator is 1, then the fraction is called a unit fraction. Unit fraction. And E part, fractions whose denominator are same are called dash fractions. So fractions जिनके denominators क्या होंगे? Same होंगे. कई fractions हैं और उन सबके denominators अगर same होते हैं, then we call them like fractions. Like fractions. For example, 3 upon 5, 2 upon 5, 7 upon 5 and 9 upon 5. So you can see here the denominators are same. So such type of fractions are called like fractions. The next one is write the next 3 equivalent fractions. So how we can find the equivalent fractions? By multiplying numerator and denominator by the same number. And जब ऐसे हमें continuity में हमें निकालने होते हैं equivalent fractions, then what we have to do? We have to recite the tables, right? 2 2s are 4 and 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are 6, so 3 से किया, and 6 3s are 18. Similarly 2 4s are 8 and 6 4s are 24. 2 5s are 10 and 6 5s are 30. 2 6s are 12 and 6 6s are 36. Right? So हमने यहाँ पर न्यूमरेटर का टेबल रिसाइट कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर का टेबल. एंड द ओनली थिंग विच वी हैव टू कीप इट इन माइंड इज कि हम सेम नंबर से ही मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं दैट इज न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर को. सो 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. Similarly here 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36. Now in the same way here 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 1 5s are 5, 1 6s are 6. एंड वैसे ही हम डिनोमिनेटर का भी टेबल रिसाइड करेंगे. द ओनली थिंग कि हम जिससे हमने न्यूमरेटर को मल्टीप्लाई किया सेम उसी नंबर से डिनोमिनेटर को. सो यहाँ 2 से किया था 1 2s are 2, सो 8 2s are 16, 1 3s are 3, 8 3s are 24, 4s are, सो 8 4s are 32, and 8 5s are 40, 8 6s are 48. Now the next question, find the missing numerator or denominator. So we know how to do it. Here we have to find the numerator, so recite the table of denominator. Tell denominator, that is 9 8s are 72, 9 8s are 72. So we have to multiply the numerator by the same numbers. So multiply it by 8 only, so 8 8s are 64. Similarly here 5 10s are 50. So we have to multiply denominator by 10. 6 10s are 60. Now in this case हम क्या है, रिवर्स है. यहाँ पर on left side the greater numbers are given. So we have to recite the table of 5. इस साइड से हम टेबल रिसाइट करेंगे instead of this, क्योंकि 45 के टेबल में 5 तो नहीं आएगा. We have to recite the table of 5 till 45. So 5 9s are 45. So you know that for equivalent fraction we have to multiply numerator and denominator by the same number. So यहाँ पर 9 से किया तो denominator को भी हम 9 से ही multiply करेंगे. So recite the table of 9 till 54. So 9 6s are 54. So 6 is the answer. Next one is same here. 5 का टेबल रिसाइट करेंगे हम कहाँ तक, 65 तक. So 5 13s are 5 13s are 65, right? So हमें न्यूमरेटर को भी सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, दैट इज 13. So 13 से करेंगे 13 3s are 39. So our numerator is 3. Now complete the pattern. So here we have to complete the pattern. You can see here, यहाँ पर हमें पैटर्न को ही कंप्लीट करना है, कोई इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शंस नहीं करने हमने फाइंड आउट. हमें जो पैटर्न गिवन है उसी को ध्यान से ऑब्जर्व करना है और कंप्लीट करना है. सो इन न्यूमरेटर 1 1 1, सो ऑल दीज आर व्हेन द न्यूमरेटर इज 1, सो हम उनको क्या बोलते हैं, यूनिट फ्रैक्शंस. तो यूनिट फ्रैक्शंस है सारे, सो दैट मीन्स हमें आगे भी यूनिट फ्रैक्शन से लिखने हैं. सो 1 1 1 1. नाउ हियर 4 4s are 16, right? Now again 16 4s are 64. तो दैट मीन्स हम 4 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं डिनोमिनेटर को. 4 4s are 16, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 16 आया, अगेन 4 से मल्टीप्लाई किया 64 आया. अब अगेन हमें 4 से ही मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. So multiply it in the rough. You will get 4 4s are 16 and 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25, 256. Now again we have to multiply it by 4. फिर से हम 4 से करेंगे. So अब रफ में इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, you will get the answer. So 4 6s are 24, 5 4s are 20, 22, 2. So 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 1024. So next number is 1024. So कैसे आया ये, 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर करके. Here again same, 1 1 and 2, 1 2s are 2 and then 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, 2 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं न्यूमरेटर्स को. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. यहाँ पर हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. एंड डिनोमिनेटर 1 3s are 3, then 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, then 27 3s are, multiply it in the rough, so you will get 81, then again multiply it by 3, 3 1s are 3, and 3 8s are 24. So in this way we can complete the pattern. So we have completed unit 9, and in next video we will start the revision of what we have learned after the exams, and the remaining units we will do after the exams. So now you will have exams next month, so we will start the revision. Thank you.